All right, the next thing we're going to extract from our add product is this part here, the token and the user ID, because we're also using these for delete and update and so on. So it's smart to have them as a separate function we can just call in. Now I'm going to call this const and then get token and user, capital U, user ID equal parentheses, actually this one. So I'm going to just make it write it for me. So make sure you do this correctly. So give it a name, assign the value, parentheses, and then use the assignment here from TypeScript. And then you have your object we passes through. So this is sort of like when we do a void, right? So we're declaring what we're using here. So in this case, token string user ID. So it specifically knows what's going to happen. Very explicit. In here, if you just go, if you're lazy, and I like being lazy, this part here from const token, the two if statement, just copy those because it's basically the same. There's no need to write it from scratch, and go back up to your get token, go between these two brackets, paste this in, and now we have the same thing because we don't want to change it because we know it works for that part. Since we're creating a function here, and we're now storing this, we need to change the scope of this one. This is now scoped inside the function, and I want to have access to token and user ID. So I need to do a return statement for this one, so I can actually use it. Return, and I want to return the token and user ID for my so the rest of my component here can actually use these.